guys, it's me, the Fun Cat Queen here, and today I'm doing a collab with Milo, and I forgot, but she also changed her name, so I forgot the name, but she actually won the video edit contest. She actually won that, and we decided to do the top 10 squishies with number 1 being the last. Number 10 is the Hebrew popsicle. I'm not going to explain it. I don't know if she's going to explain it, but I'm not going to explain it, but yeah. This is actually from Macari. Number 9 will have to be the Mini Cutie Creative Burger. Number 8 will have to be this Keeper ice cream. And so far, the past 2 squishies were all from Macari. So soft. Number 7 will have to be the Kibro Strawberry Shortcake. This one's so soft. Probably one of my softest Kibro squishies. It feels like a little marshmallow. I think it was number 7 or 6, I do not remember, but it says Flampo Cake. So there's also, I feel like all of them is going to be from Macari, except for the last 2. This one's so soft. Actually, the last one, number 7, this one is number 6, and this is Wow Dinosaur. One is so, like, this is not, it's like, feels like there's like no foam inside either, and it's so airy. Number 4 is probably the Mochi Scissors. I love the Mochi Scissors. As you know, I collect a lot of them. This is just one of them. Number 3 is the I Bloom Sharebread. I love these so much. I love how they taste like them. It's so soft. Like this one is the Whack Pan, which is a dog, and this one is the, oh yeah. This one is the Nyan Cat Pancake Cat. Number 2, it is the Marshmallow Bear from My Bloom. It's the jumbo size. I also love the mini ones too. I also have the mini ones if you don't know, but it's at my mom's house. Maybe I could do like a top 10 video at my mom's house. If you guys want to see that, maybe I can collab again with that same thing. Maybe. I don't know. So, number 1 has to be my Jumbo Pancake Muffin Bread. I love the design of the packaging. Well, if I have like these, I think those are windows. I think this is a door and these are windows. Correct me if I'm wrong. And it says, I'm not gonna read that. I can't even read that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Big thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans, subscribe to Maya Lily.